Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, lived in a cozy castle next to a sparkly river. His best friend was Sparky, a little green dragon with big, friendly eyes. Sparky had a very special problem. His hiccups made tiny, shimmering bubbles. Each bubble that popped played a little musical note, like a tiny bell or a soft flute. One sunny morning, Sparky was playing near a field of colorful flowers when he felt a tickle in his nose. Hickle popped a tiny pink bubble that sounded like a happy giggle. Hickle, another blue bubble floated up, making a soft ooh sound. Sparky started to hiccup faster and faster. Hickle, hickle. Bubbles of all colors and sizes floated around him, each playing its own little tune. Sparky got a little worried. "Oh dear," he mumbled. "My hiccups are making so many noises." He was afraid the loud bubble pops would scare the fluffy bunnies and chirping birds in the nearby sunny meadow. Sir Reginald, who was polishing his helmet nearby, heard the musical hiccups. He walked over to Sparky, his armor gleaming in the sunlight. "Those are interesting hiccups, Sparky," Sir Reginald said with a smile. "They sound like music." Sparky looked surprised. "Music?" he asked, tilting his head. Sir Reginald listened carefully, as more bubbly notes filled the air. "Yes," he exclaimed. "A little high, a little low, like a melody. What if we tried to make it a song?" Sir Reginald started to wave his hands gently, like a conductor. Maybe a little faster now. And now a soft, slow bubble. Sparky tried to control his hiccups, thinking about high notes and low notes. It was tricky, but with Sir Reginald's help, the bubbly music started to sound like a real tune. The pink bubbles made happy sounds, the blue bubbles made gentle sounds, and the yellow bubbles made cheerful sounds. Soon the fluffy bunnies hopped closer, their noses twitching. The chirping birds landed on nearby branches, listening with their bright eyes. Even a sleepy snail poked its head out of its shell to enjoy the bubbly symphony. Sparky giggled as he hiccuped, making even more musical bubbles. He wasn't scared of his hiccups anymore. They were making everyone happy. Finally, Sparky's hiccups started to slow down, and the last few musical bubbles floated gently into the air. The fluffy bunnies clapped their paws, and the birds sang a cheerful thank you. Sparky smiled at Sir Reginald. "That was fun," he said. Sir Reginald nodded. "It was. You see, Sparky, sometimes things that seem a little bit strange can turn out to be wonderful, especially with a little bit of teamwork and a good friend."
Please subscribe. Thank you.